6 years of countless keystrokes and still tickling. Could Logitech G213 be the budget keyboard you have been searching for? If you are on the fence, then this quick rundown will help you to decide whether this keyboard is for you or not. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam. In this video, we will talk about this Logitech G213 keyboard. So if you are in the market for a reliable yet affordable keyboard, the Logitech G213 is probably the one on your radar. I have been using this keyboard for the last 6 years. Yes, you heard it right, and still you can see it is still in good shape. And today I will share what you need to know before you make your buying decision. Let's start with the pros first. This keyboard has survived 6 years of intense use and still going strong. The second strong point about this keyboard is that it also comes with RGB lighting. It's nice to touch and customizable with Logitech G Hub software. Although I would say the individual key is not customizable, but still you will get different kind of effects, shades and many more. And remember, this keyboard is a budget keyboard from Logitech. So having a backlight, that too of RGB, is really nice to have. And yes, this keyboard not going to break your bank and comes from reputable brand, and the price fluctuate in between 3000 to 5000. This keyboard unfortunately is a membrane keyboard, but still offers surprisingly good tactile feedback. It's not mechanical, but still I would say gives a very good feeling while pressing these keys. And then you can see that these keys are 6 years old and still there is no sign of, for example, here keyboard letters are getting damaged. But no keyboard is perfect. The Logitech G213 tend to attract dust, which can be annoying if you like the clean setup. And while it is spill resistant, it's not truly waterproof, so you need to be careful with the drink around it. Over the time, the key might feel a bit mushy, but it's nothing too serious. You can take out these keys, can wash them and remove the dust that is inside in keyboard. So who is the G213 for? If you are a casual gamer, a student or someone who need a reliable keyboard without breaking your bank, then this is a solid choice. It is durable, comes with good looks, and then this palm support and perform well for the price. But if you are after a premium feature or mechanical switches, you might want to keep looking for other option. After 6 years of use, I can confidently say the Logitech G213 is still a strong contender in budget keyboard market. It's not perfect, but for the most of user, it will get the job done. And I would say still you may find that 3 to 5,000 rupees for the membrane keyboard is too much. I do have another keyboard from another manufacturer. I do not want to name it. I got that keyboard for just 2,000 rupees and that was mechanical keyboard. But just after 6 months of uses, I saw the condition of that keyboard start deteriorating because probably the material is being used is of inferior quality. So if you are paying slightly more price for this Logitech keyboard, then you are paying for the quality and durability. And if you are looking for a keyboard under a budget of 3 to 5,000, definitely recommend you to have a look on this Logitech G213 keyboard. And as I said, it's not perfect for most of the user, but it will get the job done. And I can confidently say that the Logitech G213 is a strong contender in budget keyboard market. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope this review helped you out. If yes, then give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and do not forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.